So I've been talking about Stellar XLM for a really long time. We've been accumulating it for a while. It's kind of an interesting play if you're already invested in XRP, you're interested in the RWA sector, anything related to cross-border payments, ISO compliant, US-based cryptos. It really does check a lot of boxes. And I just came across this article from Be in Crypto, and it's talking about the Stellar XLM price, how it's coiling up, how it's getting ready to potentially go on a parabolic run at some point here in Q4. And essentially, the patterns that we're seeing really do kind of mirror what happened back in 2017 with Stellar. And this is one of my favorite plays right now, Stellar XLM. So wanted to dive into it for you guys. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe down below if you haven't already. We've been kind of hovering right at this level with Stellar for a while. If we zoom out, we're pretty flat here in the last month. Here in the last year, though, we're still up 328%. But we've been basically chopping here down at this level since we set, new all-time highs, for the yearly highs up at 57 cents. That was actually late 2024. We did come up here and get close to 50 cents back in July. But since then, we haven't even come close to touching it. But if you zoom out on this chart, man, this is really, really interesting. And if we look at our all-time highs at 94 cents, we're 60% off that. I think Stellar is going to get price discovery. And when that happens, look out, because a natural thing that happens in crypto is we move from one asset to the other within the same sector that offers similar types of utility, similar types of hype. And the noise and excitement around XRP, which is very warranted, I think is going to funnel people into XLM. And there are already a lot of people that are invested in XRP that already invest in XLM. And I think more and more people are going to see the parallels here and how XLM moves with XRP. So when XRP gets ready to make its next big move, which I talked about in one of my previous videos. I think it was a short video that I just posted here on the channel before this one. Make sure you guys check out all the shorts too. We're posting, short form content, long form content, live streams. We've got it all right here. Make sure you're subscribed. Give the video a thumbs up. But what I mentioned there is XRP is kind of coiling up. And I think when they go on their next big run, we're going to see a lot of people be checking out XLM as well when XRP goes in on its next run. These two are very, very similar. Right. And one of the things we're doing always is talking about the moves that I'm making in my private community in the Patreon. We're getting ready for our live call here this morning. I'm recording this video a half hour before our first live call. There's still time to get access to this. This price point at 20 bucks is going up to $40 starting on Monday. So you have today and this weekend to get in at this $20 price point. Then this package will still be here without the live calls. The live call package is going to 40 bucks on our Patreon. You could pay annually and save 15% too. Tons of great alpha. You're going to see my entire long-term portfolio, my buys and sells, the moves I'm making, trades. I've got great insight from professional traders in our Discord, private Discord community, all access there. And I'm building a crypto portfolio, a new one just for my private community members. Nobody else is doing this out in the space. And then we're also offering the live calls. Tons of great access and benefits here, all for $20 per month, guys. I mean, this is actually going to help you build your financial future, unlike these subscriptions to, watch Netflix and Hulu. And no shade on that, but it's not helping you really grow your financial future. So if you guys are ready, you're serious about it, check out my Patreon, link down below. But I want to get into XLM. By the way, I was looking at Zcash. This chart is just ridiculous. Zcash continues to just go absolutely parabolic right now. But here's XLM. Look at this, man. We have continued to come down to like this 36, 35 cent level every single time. We're showing strength. We're bouncing off it. This thing is just ready to run. And on this next breakout, we've got a chance, I think, to go all the way to all-time highs. We're going to have a little bit of resistance at around 60 cents, okay? But other than that, I mean, that is literally all we've got from there. And then we're upward and onward. I mean, if we start to see the FOMO retail buying, which I think is going to happen at some point here in Q4 and maybe even into Q1, XLM continues to be one of those assets I think is just severely undervalued and underappreciated. And it's one of those assets that's pretty safe too, right? And this person here says never underestimate the power and duration of a correction. This price action has been god awful, but perfect if you're in lower time frame trades. Correction doesn't feel done, so the primary case is that we've completed the final C leg of Y. It can express in a couple of ways, with the most optimistic with PA and orange. Good luck, DGen. This is somebody talking about XLM. And they're basically saying a pullback back to that 35, 36 cent level is probably in order. But I mean, right here at 38 cents, we've shown strength 3 cents below this, for months. And these are the type of assets that right now I want to get into. Ones that are already solid, they're solidified, they're strong market caps, they're strong use cases, they have the interest that could get that FOMO parabolic type of run once we get into peak FOMO season in the markets. So that's kind of what I'm looking at with XLM. I really do like it. I've got my bags packed. I'm ready to go here. But just wanted to share some insight here with you guys on this and just about this right now. And really appreciate you guys stopping back by the channel. Hopefully you guys are getting ready for what's coming. It's so important right now that you're just preparing. Make sure your portfolio's stacked and ready to go. Always keep some cash on the sidelines ready to deploy. You never know what hot narrative is going to, pop off next. So again, we've got the Patreon. Come on over and check us out over there. And, we've also got our free newsletter as well. And you'll find that link down below too. That's free alpha twice a week. You can get access to the free newsletter. So appreciate you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next video.